You guys, you will never forget the taste of this delicious coconut rice and beans in a hurry. It's so simple but yet delicious. So keep watching and let's get started. First, I'm going to add butter and little bit of oil in my pot, allowed to heat up. Next, I'll add my chopped onions and curry leaf, stir and allow to fry for a while. Next, I'll add my roughly blended peppers and more onions. I'll also add my dry catfish, seasoning cubes and salt. Stir and allow to fry for a while. Once that is done, I will add my parboiled rice and cooked beans. Stir until well combined. Now I'm going to add my coconut milk and grilled hagfish. You can also use mackerel or panla. I will stir, taste for salt. I will cover with parchment paper or foil to trap in the heat. Cover and allow to cook on a medium heat until done. At this time, I check on it and it's ready. It turned out so delicious and I hope you give it a try. Save and enjoy. You guys, this recipe is too good. Give it a try and thank me later. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.